Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to share with you how to care for the very popular Stromanthe Triostar or Triostar. Stromanthe is native to tropical parts of the Americas, but it makes a wonderful houseplant, great for a bathroom space where it's grown for its beautiful leaves in 3 different colours. The Triostar has beautiful variegated leaves in reddish pink, cream and green, and it, like all members of the prayer plant family, display movement of leaves, folding their leaves up at night. Unlike its close relative, the Calathea, there aren't a whole lot of different types of Stromanthe out there, and even fewer of those are commercially available. But here's what there is. But first, you should note that the Triostar Stromanthe's full name is Stromanthe sanguinea Triostar. Sometimes you'll find it under the name of Stromanthe Thalia or Stromanthe Tricolour or even Calathea Triostar. All 4 of these names just describe this one very popular houseplant. Other varieties of Stromanthe that you may come across are Stromanthe sanguinea Magic Star, which is similar to Triostar but not as variegated. You may also hap upon the plain species Stromanthe sanguinea. This plant has completely green leaves with no variegation at all. And finally, there's Stromanthe stromathoides and the cultivar Charlie, which are outdoors plants suitable for hardiness zones 10 to 12. The Triostar Stromanthe is not a plant for beginners, but if you get the 4 basics of care right, Stromanthe will reward you with 365 days of beautiful leaves every year. The 4 basics are light, humidity, water and temperature. Get the light right. Position your Triostar in an area with dappled light. If it receives too much direct sun, it can burn the leaves. Often an east-facing window works wonders for providing the right amount of sunlight. However, if leaves start to burn, move your plant back several feet from the window or just put it in the middle of the room so the light is dappled. Stromanthe is a moderately fast-growing plant, but will become temperamental and slow down when it feels disturbed, root-bound or doesn't get enough light. If you want it to grow faster, get its conditions right. And be aware, leaf colour might become less pronounced if your plant isn't getting enough light. Give it more sunlight and watch the pinks pop. Another 2 tips are to turn your plant around once a week to help ensure that distribution of light is to all of the leaves, and dust its leaves regularly so the dust doesn't block light from reaching your plant. Get the humidity right. Triostars grow best in humid conditions, so keep the plant away from radiators and air conditioners. Many people keep their Triostars on a bathroom window as this may provide the 60% humidity that these plants adore. If humidity is too low, leaves will wilt or curl. Do be aware, however, that too much sun can also cause leaves to curl. Alternatively, provide your plant with a humidity tray. This is a waterproof tray of pebbles that holds some water at the base and will increase the ambient humidity. On to number 3, watering. Perhaps the most important element to success with this plant is watering. You must provide moist but never soggy conditions. This isn't a plant you should let dry out between waterings. It should be kept always moist but never wet. This plant can even be fussy about the quality and temperature of the water. Distilled water works better than tap water, and make sure the water is lukewarm, never cold. You'll know if you're having watering issues with this plant because its leaves will turn brown or yellow. If the leaves turn brown, you're not giving it enough water or the quality of your water is not pure enough. Yellow leaves mean the soil is waterlogged and you need to dry your plant out. Feed your Triostar with a diluted, balanced fertiliser every couple of weeks to encourage it to thrive. Don't fertilise in winter. Finally, perhaps the easiest condition to satisfy is temperature. Your plant needs ambient temperatures between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime dips are normal and will be tolerated. I'm Rachel from the Gardening at Douentza YouTube channel. Happy growing!